Thought it'd be fun to record a sound clip for you guys of the manual mode back roads, the Resonator Delete. Nice. I think it does. Although we've done about 400 miles with it, it's nice to hear what it sounds like after being broken in. There's a pretty bad roads here. Let's do it down a second. And this is with the valves open, by the way. Get a pull on traffic here, and then we'll end the video. Back into automatic mode. I take this back road home because you get a bit more fun. Both hands on the steering wheel for safety. I've got just the front two windows down for you guys. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.